What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Radio Master Pocket. Alright, first thing, here are the box panels. Alright, let's open it. Alright. Ooh. Here it is. Comes in this little bag. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we got a few extra. Those are springs for something. Here's a cord. Then you got your instruction manual. A bunch of stickers. Alright. Now let's look at the actual remote. Comes in this nice little bag. Ooh. Got the dark color. Here are the gimbals on the back. Let's see if you can get them off. There's one. Antenna goes up like that. Got your 2 position buttons, 3 position, stationary, then like a slider. There's another like slider. Here, we'll see if the DJI sticks work with this, because I've been wondering. Oh, don't look like it fits in this. Well, this is for a mini, so I don't know if this is the same. The remotes are about the exact same size, actually. Some size comparisons. Here's the DJI Mini 2 remote. It's about pretty close to the same size. Pretty similar, actually. Hideaway gimbals and everything. Here's an Emax Tiny Hawk 2 Freestyle remote that comes with it. Here's size comparison. It's really good size, actually.